Today we are going to make a pattern design in Illustrator using scripts. If you don't have these scripts installed, you can download it from the link in the description. If you want to know how to install scripts in Illustrator, watch the video linked in the description. Okay, so first let's create a shape. You can create any shape you like. I'm going with this one. Then create a square by 1000 into 1000 pixel. Now select both shapes and go to File menu. Go to Scripts. Select Fillinger. Set the values as shown. Now you can delete this shape. Again select, go to Appearance, go to FX, Distort and Transform and select Roughen. Set the values as shown. With this selected, again go to FX. Go to Path, Offset Path and set the value to 5 point. Press and hold Ctrl key and click on the colors you want from the swatches. Now go to File menu again, Scripts and click on Randomus. Set the values as shown here and click on Fill Swatches and then click OK. Select the stroke and change the color. Click on the direct selection tool icon or press A. Click on a shape. Now come here to select similar objects icon. Make sure fill color is checked here. If not, then select fill color, click on it. This will select all the objects here with the same color fill. Go to FX, Distort and Transform. Select Transform. Set the values as shown and click OK. Do this for every color. Just making sure every color is done. Go to Options menu and click Isolate Selected Group. Make any adjustment needed. You can try setting different values in the offset path now. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Comment your thoughts on this. Have a nice day and stay safe.